Hello, good morning. I just want to introduce to you myself. I'm Mirna Lacuban from Philippines and currently living here in Hong Kong. And I want to present the business. How can you earn here in Ascendra International? As you can see here, I already write down. So all you have to do is to buy the executive package worth 709,315, and you have the return of investment 796,858 total value of your Ascendra package. And we have here the direct referral. Direct referral means once you invited one people, here you go. This is the structure, okay? So this is you. Take note, this is one account policy only. So this is you. You are here on top and you have the left and the right. Once you invited friend 1, the company will pay you 142,005 Liberian currency, and to invite friend 2, the company will pay you again 140,500 Liberian currency. Your left, your right. This is actually the BVE bonus. This is bonus. So the system will read your left and right. You have here left and right. The company will pay you 35,501. So in just 2 person you invited, the company will pay you 319,511. Okay? So, what if you will invite 10 person in just one day? This is 177,506. So, where did I get this one? 142,005 plus 35,501. You will add that one. That is 7,506. Okay? So, times 10 person you invite in just one day, the company, all you will earn 1,775,060 Liberian kwacha. Okay? Of course, your friend 1 also invited this one. He has also friend 1. So, this is the structure only. So, you are not the one who invited this one. Okay? You are not the one who invited this one, but this is the good in our company, because even you are not the one who invited this one, since you have the left and you have the right, of course you have also another, this one friend to have also invited his friend or his friend or her friend. Since we have here the left and the right, the company will pay you another 35,501. So this is the structure. So once you build your network, you will get a huge money here, or you will earn a lot of money here, because not only you will earn in a direct referral, you will earn also for the bonus. And this is the scenario how you can help your people. Again, you have already your friend 1, you have already your friend 2. Again, you invited again another friend 3. So you put here. Okay, you put here. So meaning this friend 2, he invited this one, right? His friend 1. So you invited your friend 3, you put here. Meaning you help them already. You help this one, you help this one. They have already this one. Your friend. They have already people under their lines. Okay? So this one will under your organization. All the people here down the lines will under you, because you are here on the top. You are the one. You are the first one to join. Because this company is the newest company, just launched last July 7. I mean June 7. June 7 2025 in the Philippines. So be a pioneer. Build your network there in Africa, and the staff, our staff will help you make or build your put what we call that office, branch office there in Africa. So be the first one. So as I mentioned a while ago, what if you invited 10 person, 177,506, you invited 10 person, you will earn 1,775,060 Liberian kwacha. What if not only 10 person you invited in just one day, you invited, let's say, 50 person in a month, you will earn 88,753 Liberian kwacha. A huge money, right? So, and you see, as you can see, this is we have the match sales bonus. You have already a lot of people here under you. As I mentioned a while ago, if you build your network, you will earn because you have already left and right. You're not the one who invited this one. The people here under you already invited by your friends, friends of their friends. So you will earn unlimited 35,501, 35,501, 35,501, 35,501, 35,501, 35,500. So unlimited 35,500. But big income here is the more you get people under you, the more people you invited, direct referral, you will earn 142,005 Liberian kwacha. The direct, this one, the direct referral is the big money. Okay, you earn big money once you invited a lot of people here. Okay, so this one is only a bonus. You see the difference, the 142,000, 5,000 Liberian currency. Okay, so my dear friends, so the decision you make today will bring you time and financial freedom for your family. So be a part of Ascendra International, and congratulations in advance.